All right, so this is just the computer. This is the Taglio software, and we open it up, and this runs. It's never ever been to the internet or anything. It doesn't know anything. It has logo tag, which is the DXF software where you would create your files, make your files, manipulate your files, do whatever you need to do, trim, arc, circle, curve, whatever. And then you close that, and then Tag is the machining software, the actual that goes to the CNC machine back there. So file, open. These are files that we've done in the past. There's like a sync run. That's a sync run. Turn the inside corner. These are the slots in the table. This is the table, obviously. That's the piece. The different colors are for what's machined and the sync. And then you would open and load. And that's it. That's where the cups go. These are the stops. This is the table. And that's the piece. Turn the corner. And that's about it. Save it. No. But it's good. It's quick. Works. Open it up. It's never been to the internet. It's the key. Thank you. Alright. Video. I don't know if you can hear me. It's kind of loud in here. QUOTA CNC 3300 router. So I got some blicks down there. Those are fine. The doors closed and open. That's the remote. I honestly don't know how to turn the system on. I think it needs batteries and the mouse and that, but the drives are on right there. They're all 66s, which is what you want to see on them, which means that the unit's operational and good. Like I said, this is on. I need a mouse and a keyboard to work. This is a new vacuum pump which we bought. It's a Decker vacuum pump. It's probably like 2 or 3 years old. We didn't put it back in there because it was easier to get to and change the oil. The back of the machine, the tool holder, this aluminum part was added. This right here was added just for tool storage. These spindles are all in good shape. These are greased up, really greasy, pretty clean in there. It probably needs a once over cleaning, just to be hosed off. But other than that, it's in good shape. A little rust and stuff on the bottom. The doors are fine. That's what we put in to collect the water underneath it. There's one right there. There's one right there. So the water goes in that hole right there. And then there's a hole right there. So that manifold right there is also new. We added that Blick dual manifold for the cup because we liked it better. Other than that, and that's about it. That's a spindle. I think it'd be a great machine for the right person. All right.